time I'm going to read Rapunzel by Bethan Woollvin, with thanks to Two Hoots Books. And this book has got fantastic illustrations, so I'm going to try and hold it so that you can see them. Rapunzel lived all alone in a tall, dark tower. She was trapped there by a witch who visited every day. Here she comes. And there's Rapunzel, look.
Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair,
called the witch. And then, using Rapunzel's hair as a rope, up she climbed, because that was the only way into the tower. Every day the witch brushed Rapunzel's hair, swish, swish, swish. Then, snip, snip, she stole some golden locks to sell for riches. As she left with her treasure, the witch cackled.
You can never escape, Rapunzel. Leave the tower and I will put a terrible curse on you.
But was Rapunzel frightened? Oh no, not she. If the witch could use her hair to get in, Rapunzel could use it to get out. So one day she did. After climbing down from the tower, Rapunzel pulled her hair free and looked around. Then she started to explore. The thought of returning to the tower made her sad. It's a shame about that witch, she said to herself. So Rapunzel made a plan. She worked on it secretly every day, and with the help of a new friend she had made from the forest, she was always safely back in the tower before the witch came. The witch never suspected a thing. Until one day.
Rapunzel!
The witch found a leaf in Rapunzel's hair. But was Rapunzel frightened? Oh no, not she. The wind must have blown it in through the window, she said boldly.
Well, remember, snarled the witch, if you ever leave the tower, I will put a terrible curse on you.
And with that she grabbed the end of Rapunzel's hair and climbed out of the window. But the witch did not get far before, snip, snip, she was sent tumbling to the ground. The witch's cursing days were done. So Rapunzel climbed out of the tower for the last time, down into the forest where her friend was waiting. And were the other witches frightened? Oh yes, indeed. They'd better look out with Rapunzel about, hadn't they? Hope you enjoyed that. See you soon. Bye.